Lighting while polishing is essential. It is essential to recognize the damage that is in your clear coat or in your paint, and it is essential to be able to monitor your progress while polishing. Now, we have a swirl finder light that has one bar here and a spotlight here that is really effective in understanding and recognizing swirl marks and scratches. But what Adams Polish's swirl finder light doesn't do is change color to match the lighting that the setting you are in while polishing. Our color match light does that. It has 3 settings for lighting. It has yellow, white light, and blue light. And what that does is it allows you to match the lighting in the setting that you're in, and it can help you see and recognize more of the damage that you're trying to correct. Now, additionally, lighting has become essential to Adams Polish's coating process or ceramic coating process. We have built in a UV indicator inside of all of our ceramic coatings that allow you to see exactly where you put ceramic coating on your vehicle. Now you have a light to monitor your progress while polishing, but you can now switch this to UV where you can see exactly where you've placed ceramic coating on your vehicle. Additionally, this light has a battery life indicator, which allows you to monitor how much power you have left in your light. Adams Polish's handheld color match light has an adjustable bottom, so you can stand it up if you need to, but it also has magnetic surfaces on the bottom and on the back. So if you need to, you can set it on its side or put it on its back. Another really cool feature to this is the docking station, which charges the light. You can just set this in and it will charge it while you're away. Additionally, it has a hook that you can utilize in your engine bay or while you're doing things under the hood. It will allow you to manage the damage that is on your car, also allowing you to get a perfect finish in any lighting setting, but also give you the opportunity to understand exactly where you apply your ceramic coating.